the bedroom. This is like a king size bed. It's pretty big. And this is queen size. Bathroom area. Yellow white light. Sink. There's the pool there. Oh, I love these. Sink. Black knives. Sunny, sunny. Oh, great. Okay, I'm turning it down. Hi, everybody. I am getting ready to go out now. So I'm just gonna finish doing my hair, a little bit more makeup, and get dressed. This is a shower palette. So nice. Outfit. Some more makeup. And I did my nails earlier on. Yeah, I did my nails earlier on. I think I'm ready. These are some scallops. This is shrimp. now we are having some ribs, southern style food. You've had this before, right? Yeah, I tried too. Got some mac and cheese, some chips. This mac and cheese is rich. I haven't had southern food in the longest time. So this is bringing back a lot of memories when I used to visit Atlanta, Georgia, and visit my auntie there. And I would stay down there for the whole summer as a child. We'd have barbecue like this. Alright, so I'm done. It was really good. I really enjoyed it. Right now we're having some ribs, beef brisket, barbecue beans, mac and cheese. This is deep fried okra. And just some rice and beans and some green beans. I'm breaking my pescatarian diet today. But it's okay because the meat doesn't really taste like meat. They seasoned it so I can eat it without any issues, because sometimes I don't really like when meat tastes just like a carcass. So like they gave barbecue sauce at the side and all that, and the meat is seasoned, so yeah, it's nice. And the beef brisket is really tender. So that's the beef brisket. It's barbecue beans, barbecue sauce. I'm gonna try some of the sausage later on. Kind of reminds me of Polish kielbasa that my family used to give me as a child. It's deep fried okra. The beef brisket is so tender and nice. I really like it. Really tender, like it falls apart when you kind of cut into it a little bit. This is some chicken. I'm not gonna have any chicken, just the beef, and the sausage, and just some jalapeno and pickles and onion. Yep.